Are you having trouble updating your date of birth on Facebook? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily change the date of birth associated with your account. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your name at the top. Once you are on your Facebook profile, tap on the Edit Profile button over here. And then scroll down to the very bottom and tap where it says, Edit Your About Info. So now what you want to do next is scroll down, and you'll see a section called Basic Info, and under that, it will show you your current date of birth on Facebook. Just tap Edit over here. And now you have the ability to change your birthday, birth month, and birth year. One thing to keep in mind is that you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. So make sure you don't make any mistakes when doing this. You can also change the privacy of your birthday and birth year. Just tap on this button over here and select the privacy option that you prefer. You can set this to public, friends of friends, just friends, or if you want to hide it, you can select only me. Once you've done that, put a check mark next to this. I confirm that I am blank years old. After that, just tap on the Save button over here to save the changes that you've made. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.